Bale, all in all po, mga all in, ano po?
Ito sir, 6.
Ngayon 6 po kami, may incoming pa po, mga 10. Sa hotel po.
Medium kasi, maximum 50%.
Yes,
Sevilla.
Saan po yun? Sige po.
Dito ka rin kami muna.
Kala mo na sa inyo. Talagang...
Kami malaki.
Kami haliyat 11, no?
I think this is...
Ikaw mo nagbaba.
Marami pang ano, tanong.
Reservation pa kami pa. Ay, check mo pa na yung daming check.
Is that Villa, no?
Yeah, those are the villas that we took.
Magbaba muna kita. Magkuhan muna. Francis.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. New day, new vlog. Today we are here in Azura Resort with my family. We are having a overnight. Kami muna ang nauna dito kasi hindi kasi kasya sa isang sasakyan, kaya may batch, first batch, second batch. Someone is hiding over there. Kaya ako ito ay nagbablog muna at titingnan ko muna yung mga places. Maganda pala itong na ito, resort na ito, na nandyan ang mga villas, tapos may mga playground pa sila. Yan. So ito po ang aming villa na binook, Villa 4. Dito kami lahat. I mean, hati ng family dito. Kaya, tingnan nyo, ang ganda niya. Yan, papasok na sila. Ito ang taas. Mayroon aircon?
Ito, kasi window type.
On na kaagad.
Wait, go babe. Baka mahulog ako dito. Shit.
On.
So basically, if you will need more beds po, we can order. We can get it.
No, I think so that's enough, no?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, so maximum 10
Sila
here.
pa. Hindi mga dalaga.
We can get more beds po. I told you, remember, additional, they,
Ay, dyan, pwede na.
One here because if you
So, same as well, 6. Double deck,
6, maximum 10, yeah.
sing lang,
So they can put 4 additional beds per day.
I can sleep on top of that. I'm fine with this.
Kailangan ka.
Mauga.
Ako, kahit sa taas pwede, kahit mauga.
Natin lang mag-iisip.
Kaya lang yung problema yung pag-ihihin natin dalawa. Hindi tayo makakano.
Bababa.
Ay, baba pang ihihi.
Uy, may swimming pool pala dyan, oh.
Ito yung...
Swimming pool pala ang
Hindi
nila.
pa naman napapaliguan.
Hindi na, under construction.
Ginagawa pa lang.
Oo, ginagawa.
Still under construction, no?
But the beach is
Ibang
there.
pool. Hindi siguro pa nabulog.
Yan, mga villa na yan, no? Yeah.
Parang ginagawa pa rin eh.
No, that's accessible.
Hindi makaakit sila.
Doon nga ang mag...
Ito na yung office ng Azura Beach. Dito kami kanina nag-picture taking. Pupunta kami ngayon sa seashore. Tignan namin kung ano meron doon. Ang ganda naman, oh. Uy, may mga cottage na ano. Oh, kuhanan ko muna ito. Sandali. Ayan, nandito kami sa Azura Beach Resort. Anong meron sila dito? Ay? Ano yan? Ito, may mga tent. Oh. Ayun, sana ako na matupa. Azura na yan.
Hindi pa kayo magtanong kung ano yung
Meron sila.
meron sila.
Oh, may boat din. Boat ba yun? Float. May mga shampoo. Convenience store daw. Convenience store. Yan. Dito pala mga chichiriya din. Nagbit-bit na sila nun ng ano. Bakit? Tanggal? Ganda din itong beach na ito. Oh, dito kami ngayon sa Azura Park. Welcome! It's Earth 2022. Oh, dito pala yung ano, competition. Picture na tayo.
Tayo dalawa tapos.
Ayan ang mga rules and regulation.
Ito ko ng phone. Ang pangit, Ben?
Pangit?
Pangit yun.
Pangit ba?
Ikaw.
Nandito kami sa labas ngayon kasi inaantay namin ang ate ko at saka yung mga bata. Andun ang anak ko, sinundo sila. Punta na daw sila dito at kami ay walang magagawa kasi hindi namin alam kung ano ang mga arrangement dito. So far naman, nakuha na namin ang aming villa. Itong villa namin dito, yung isa naman doon sa kabila. So hati-hati kaming magpamilya. Doon na sa kabilang villa ang mga bagets. At dito kami mga momshi, dito kami sa isang villa para kwentuhan buong gabi, kantahan. Sana mag-enjoy kami ngayong araw na ito.
Ano ka talaga?
Wow, breathless. Ano ba yan? Alam ko ba yan? Yan ang kapatid ko.
We sing it all together with dreams set apart, and me, you are by my side. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I said. So here I am. face the hardest times you could imagine. Many times her eyes hold back the tears. And when a youthful world is about to fall in, it's time to stand the shoulders on the way. And a dream that she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her.
Daming damo.
She's a free and gentle flower growing wild.
It's a
we're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Suddenly, watching and to know, I don't know if you can see. I feel something wrong now alone for yesterday. It was such an easy game to play. Now I need a place to hide away. Oh, I believe in yesterday. I believe the children are future. Ditch and went and let them lead away. Shooting all the beauty and sense inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Little children, so we used to be. I'm not searching for a hero. People need someone to love to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to love anyone's shadows. Kasaon mo ito, Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. To you. The fan of
I-off mo ng fan, okay? Video kami makadapa video.
Wish mo na daw. Wish. Okay. Sige na. Game venue.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Wish mo na. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more. This is a video a little bit like.
If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon, and if you enjoy my video, give a thumbs up, share, and comment your thoughts down below.